Most teams get project management tools completely wrong. They pick whatever looks popular, then end up overwhelmed, confused, and back to messy spreadsheets. But here's the truth no one tells you. The tool you choose directly affects how fast your team finishes work and how often deadlines are missed. In this video, you'll learn the real difference between Trello and Asana in 2026, how each one works in real team situations, and which one is actually better depending on your workflow. Let's get into it. Trello is built around simplicity. It uses boards, lists, and cards to organize tasks. Think of someone like Jake, running a small content team. He creates a board for YouTube videos, then moves cards from idea to script to published. Everything is visual and easy to understand. Now Asana is more structured. It is designed for teams that need deeper project planning, dependencies, and tracking. Imagine Alex managing a marketing agency with multiple clients. He needs timelines, task dependencies, and workload tracking. Asana gives him that level of control. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference is not features. It is structure versus flexibility. Trello is flexible and visual. You can set it up in minutes and start working immediately. But here's the problem. As your projects grow, it can become too simple. Complex workflows are harder to manage. Asana is structured and powerful. It helps you build full project timelines, assign responsibilities, and track progress in detail. But it can feel slightly overwhelming for beginners who just want something quick. Let's break it down clearly. For small teams or solo creators, Trello is often the better choice. It keeps things light, fast, and easy to manage without training. For growing teams or businesses managing multiple projects, Asana becomes more useful. You get better control over deadlines, dependencies, and long-term planning. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many teams actually use both. Trello for simple idea tracking, and Asana for structured execution. That hybrid approach works surprisingly well. Trello also offers power-ups for extra features like calendars and automation. Asana offers built-in tools like timelines and workload views. So both can expand, but in different directions. So which one is better in 2026? If you want speed and simplicity, go with Trello. If you want structure and scalability, go with Asana. Here's the final takeaway. The best tool is not the one with more features. It is the one your team actually sticks to every single day without confusion. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which tool you currently use, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns that make team tools easy to understand.